Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about the benefits of speaking English language in front of the mirror. If you will speak English language in front of the mirror, so how many things you can learn and how many things you can improve with the help of mirror practice. There are many people who have learned English language with the help of this habit, you know. So I think that you should also practice this type of things to speak English language, to learn how to speak English language fluently, professionally. Okay, you know what, when you will speak English language in front of the mirror, I know initially it will be hard for you. If you are a beginner, then you will think, what type of things I can talk, what kind of things I can talk about, what kind of things I should talk about in front of the mirror. I know in beginning days we face a lot of problems. So my friend, just start from little bit. Start from zero. Start speaking with yourself from a little time, from a short time, right? I mean, just first of all, try to know the benefits. If you will speak English language in front of the mirror, so the first benefit is you will face yourself. You will look at yourself. When you will look at yourself, then you will maintain the eye contact with yourself. When you will maintain the eye contact with yourself, then you will boost your confidence, and you will be able to speak English language after some time. At that time you may not be feeling better, you may not be feeling comfortable while speaking with you, but after some time your mind will observe it, your mind will just learn it, and you will be able to speak with yourself in front of the mirror. So first thing is you will face at yourself while speaking in front of the mirror. And you do not need to speak for a long time if you are speaking at first time. So just try to prepare something. It could be your introduction, it could be your routine, it could be any topic. Just try to speak about that in front of the mirror for at least 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It is up to you. And if you don't have a big mirror, don't worry about it. You can speak into any type of mirror. The condition is you should speak. You have to speak. If you really want to speak, if you really want to speak English language fluently. Okay, so if I talk about another thing, like, if you will speak with yourself in front of the mirror, so how many mistakes you can make? As many mistakes you will make, as many things you will learn. And there will be no one to make you fun and laughing at you. So I mean, you will be free at that time, and you will be able to speak with yourself. There will be no any problem. So you can learn a lot of things while speaking in front of the mirror. So my friend, it is very important habit. It's a very useful habit to make you confident, to make you speak with yourself. And after some time you will learn how to speak with yourself. And once you learn how to speak with yourself, then there will be no need to have someone. And one thing also, when you will speak in front of the mirror, so you will have that kind of capability, that kind of ability to speak with someone while looking into his or her eyes. And when you will speak with someone by looking into her or his eyes, so you will feel confident. And the person who will be listening to you, he will be thinking, he will say that the person who was talking to me, he was confident, he was confident. Okay, so confidence matters a lot, and it will really help you to speak with yourself confidently. So just try to speak with yourself, try to speak in front of the mirror. Okay, not for a long time, but for little time, and after some time you will be improving. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.